Hey guys, I'm bringing you a short video today. I still have my AWE track edition exhaust, which is essentially a muffler delete. I decided to combine that with my Active Autowerks equal length mid pipe, which is non-resonating. This is a crazy combination I've never seen anybody ever run online, in person, YouTube, Instagram. So enjoy the sound clips. I will be putting the track edition exhaust for sale because it's too rowdy, so this is me retiring it. Enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. So now that you've heard that rare combination of a muffler delete plus an equal length mid-pipe system, I will be taking this off and putting back on my AWE switchback exhaust. But don't get used to that, I have a whole new catback system on the way. Stay tuned to find out.